Greetings, I'm Simran from First Step with another activity. Hello children, how are you all doing? I'm sure you're taking good care of yourself. Well, I'm here to teach you how to dust or clean in a proper manner. And you can help your mom, so this will be very helpful for you. Let's start off. All we need is a duster, a dust pad and a dustbin. And of course a table. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt here. So in a proper manner, let me teach you how to clean it. What you're going to do is hold the duster in a proper grip. Let's start from the left side. Let's gather all the dirt from left side and take it towards the right side and leave it here. We do the same thing on the top. Let's gather all the dust and keep it and take it towards the right side. Simultaneously, we'll do the same and make sure you don't do it in a hurry, because if you do that, everything can be scattered and it can make things worse. So once you've piled up everything, all the dirt towards the right side, make sure you push it down towards the edge so that it becomes easy for you to dump it in the dust, put it in the dust pad and dump it in the dustbin. So once you've piled up all the dirt towards the edge, what you do is put it in the dust pad. Once you've put it in the dust pad, put it in the dustbin and make sure you wash your hands, and you keep washing your hands quite often. I hope this video is effective and helpful. You can try doing it with your mother and help your parents while we're all locked down, and make sure you use a mask when you do this so that you don't get any infection. I hope this is effective for you. Thank you, and you can try it at home. Take care. Regards, Simran.